Well, we're ready to show you another beautiful Corvette here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. But first of all, a lot of you ask about the pricing on the videos. There's a link right below this video that will take you to other beautiful photos and the pricing on our vehicles as well. This is a really good-looking 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT Coupe, CAMMED 500+ horsepower. This has a great shine. It just came in, black on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and as we said, that 500+ horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include competition gray wheels, power driver's seat, side airbags, dual zone electronic climate control, CD, MP3, XM stereo with front input, and also steering wheel controls. The vehicle has HID headlights, keyless entry and start, electric rear hatch pull down, fog lamps, power windows, power locks. Everything on the car is power. It also has ABS, traction control, cruise control, and active handling. This car, as we always say, we're proud of our cars. It comes with a clean Carfax. And this 2010 Corvette shows 57,645 miles. Features some added performance accessories as well. Just a stunning car. The paint is in average condition. It has an average sign. It looks really good here on the lot. And it has those rare factory competition gray wheels. And this beautiful car, the interior of this 2010 Corvette shows good condition factory leather seats, door panels, center console, and a very good steering wheel. Additions to this car include an aftermarket performance camshaft, stainless steel long tube headers, aftermarket mufflers, Veraram cold air intake, aftermarket headlights, aftermarket side marker lenses, and drilled slotted brake rotors as well. So give us a call today and talk to one of our sales representatives about this vehicle. We ship nationwide every week, and we make buying online something you can do with ease, but always more importantly, with confidence. So if you'd like to know more, give one of our representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, when you do subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll get a notification every time a new car comes onto our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Our Corvettes are handpicked and go through a rigorous inspection before they ever come to our showroom floor. So give us a call today, or better yet, stop in and visit us if you're passing through Atlanta. Buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia.